Hello folks, Cass here. Welcome to the Calgary International Auto Show 2024. If you're on our channel, you probably noticed we have some car shows covered, but mostly they are the show and shines with collector car items. However, this one here is a new show, like for new vehicles I should say. It's not a new show, but for new vehicles, so we'll have different car manufacturers that have various different models here, I assume. So let's get inside, check it out. We are already on the exhibition ground and we'll make our way in and I will catch up with you guys once we are in there. So stay tuned. See you then.
There's a map there.
And here we are. Let's walk around and check it out. And on this side of the wall we have Volvo. Station wagon V60. I think that's a Volvo EV as well. Let's just have a quick look. We have a bit smaller one, that's the XC40. Here we have the Audi brand. If you are a Formula One fan, you may know they will be entering Formula One in 2026. I think they are in the process of taking over the Sauber team. I think it's Stake Sauber, Kick Sauber, something like that this year. So we'll see how they do in 2026. Because right now they are a bit struggling. I think they also will build their own engine, because the engine regulations change as well. Maybe Cadillac is your brand. It's a big SUV here. Prices, wow, not cheap, that's for sure. It's about 500 kilometers in range, but it's quite expensive. We got a regular Cadillac, an SUV as well. It's the XT5. I think here we have the Kia brand. I think that's South Korea. Oh, I just noticed something. Let's check out the dash on this one. It's like a spaceship. Kia Telluride. I completely mispronounced this. Let's have a look into this one.
Right, okay. Yeah.
Similar big dash. Here is the back. Let's have a view. Cargo area, it's fairly big. 3 rows. Third row in the very back, or you can fold it down for cargo. This one looks like another EV. SUV, it's a Sorento, but it's still Kia. Let's have a look on here. Have a peek onto the inside. Similar dash again, all electronic. A few more Kia models over here. And then ahead here we have Subaru. So here's the Subarus. We'll wander through here real quick. Little cross check. So that's their version of Outback. It's like a station wagon pretty much. And the bigger version of the Accent, I think. Or Ascent, I should say. It's their sports car version. Here Here we are arriving at the different Lexuses, which is Toyota, but they're more luxury brand if you're not familiar with it. Some of them are pretty big, like this white one here. Let's have a look on the inside, how they look on the inside. Again, pretty big screen. Not sure if it shows up on camera, but it seems to be the latest trend, having these big screens. It's their latest SUV version. Looks of it, it's a Lexus, not sure the model, GX550 by the looks of it. I think this reminds me a bit on the Range Land Cruiser, I think. Gee, got my brands mixed up here, but first in here we have the regular cars. Up on Mitsubishi. Got some smaller SUVs. And here are a few bigger ones. Outlander. I think there's a hybrid here, front electric motor. Here is the Jeep brand. Chrysler, Dodge. I think Grand Cherokee over here actually. Let's have a look in here. That's how the Jeep interior looks like. This looks like a fun vehicle. Nice warm hot summer day. And this one here is absolutely huge. I think this here is the Dodge Durango. Have the Buick brand ahead. Have a peek into this SUV here. Of course, a Hummer. Looks like electric. I'm assuming, based on the charging station they put beside. Just walk through here, big dually pickup truck here. Denali SUV. Here we have it from the front. A few more pickup trucks back here, full size. Then a bit the smaller one here. Check out the tailgate, it's like a step. That's a GMC model. The all-new Acadia, it's not even released yet. Here we have the Hyundai or Hyundai or however it's pronounced, or you say it. Kind of a half pickup truck or kind of half car, half pickup. It's the Hyundai brand again. Chevrolets. And I think this here, you see the Traverse here. That's the same size or brand, kind of like the GMC we just seen back there. It said pre-production model. Camping here, we got a truck. Here we got Toyota. I think that's their Land Cruiser. First time back in Canada in, I don't know, about 20 or 30 years. Not taking up on these numbers, but it's been a very long time. Let's walk through here, little sports car. RAV4. Quick look in here. This is the Toyota Tundra. I drove one for many years, actually two separate ones. And I don't know, probably for 15, 16 years I had Tundra, so never really had much problems, quite reliable. Let's just have a quick peek inside from the dash, how they look these days. Again, we see the big screen. Here is the Highlander Toyota. Here we have a look at the cargo area. That's with the third row seat up, so it's 3 rows again. Here we have the smaller Toyota pickup truck, which is the Tacoma. Quite a few of them out there as well. See if we can see something through the window here. Here we got Ford. Here we go, that's the electric Mustang. We have a smaller Bronco here. Look inside as well. Quick view from behind. Cargo area. And then over here we got the Explorer. Here it is, Ford Explorer. As usual, have a look inside as well. Check out the interior. Here we are. Compared to a lot of other vehicles, their electronic dash, it's almost considered small. Here we are, 3 rows of seats again, and one folded, the third row folded down. Give you plenty of space. It's an electric, the Ford not sure if they call it F-150, but it's the Lightning. Then the regular Mustang over here. That's a VW Atlas. And of course they also have their EV models here. It's a 2-row SUV here. Still looking at the VWs. Interior view. Nice blue color. Color sure makes a difference on the vehicle. It's actually an Atlas as well, just like the first one we've seen in the VW, the white one, but this is the Cross Sport, so that means the roof, I believe, is a bit more sloped in the back, and then that eliminates the third row seat. This is Volkswagen, slightly smaller. That's the Tahoe Highline. It's a smaller SUV than the two we just looked at. Now let's have a look at Nissan. That's the Murano here. It's a name that's been around for quite some time. The Nissan's Frontier, smaller pickup truck. Front view of the Frontier. So you can have your own map right on the hood, or if you're from a different country, it's called the bonnet. Sports car.
There's electrified for the we have around 30 minutes. 3 minutes consider.
This is the Nissan Pathfinder. name that's been around for a while too, but that's the latest model. I think they revised this for 2022, I think. I'm not 100% sure. It's a bit more rugged looking again. As usual, let's have a closer look and look on the inside. It's a 3-row SUV again. That's kind of how it looks from the inside. And we're gonna have a look at the cargo area. Here, see on the left hand side, the seat is up, so it doesn't really leave you much space. But once you fold this down, the third row starts to give you a lot more interior space. So